Spice up your English with Indian English Idiomatic Expressions. Hello, language enthusiasts. We're back with another interesting topic that can help you level up your English language skills. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of Indian English idiomatic expressions and learning how to use them in conversation. These phrases are not just vocabulary. They carry with them a slice of Indian culture and can make your English more colorful and expressive. Indian English idiomatic expressions are deeply rooted in Indian culture, lifestyle, and regional dialects. They often hold a different shade of meaning when compared to standard English idioms. It's important to understand the context and the intended meaning before using them in conversation. For example, the idiom, tight slap, in Indian English means to insult someone severely, which is not as physical as it may sound. Just like any other language, the usage of idiomatic expressions in Indian English is subject to context. They can be used in informal conversation, when talking about Indian culture, or when you want to inject a bit of fun or local color into a conversation. For instance, "What is your good name?" is a direct translation from Hindi and is a polite way of asking someone's name in India. This might sound odd in other forms of English, but it's completely normal in an Indian context. Another popular idiom is, "do the needful," which means to do what is necessary. It's widely used in business and professional context in India, though it might sound old-fashioned or overly formal in other English-speaking regions. Avoid using these expressions in formal writing or in academic contexts, unless you're writing about Indian culture or dialects. Also, remember that these expressions may not be understood by everyone. If the person you're speaking to isn't familiar with Indian culture, you may need to explain the meaning. For example, if you tell someone you're prepone an appointment, which in Indian English means to move something to an earlier time, it could be confusing as prepone isn't widely used outside of India. There you have it, a quick guide to using Indian English idiomatic expressions. Remember, the key is understanding the context and cultural nuances of these expressions. Don't be afraid to experiment and add a touch of Indian spice to your English. We hope this video has been useful and enriching. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the fascinating world of English language variations.